third example of fraud is in accounting. Example of fraud is commercial initiatives when someone steals the secret technology. Second example is violation of competition and antitrust law. For example, collusion of cartels, attempt to get extra market power and more control over the market and over the price. The third case is illegal insider trading, behavior and activity, and someone tries to get extra benefit, extra profit by getting access to insider knowledge. For example, if you are a CEO and you trade the share of a company and profiting at the expense of shareholders. Tax fraud is violation of tax law, basically not paying the taxes. Mortgage fraud are attempts to get home loan by providing misleading information. The next example is intellectual property infringement. For example, getting it is related to commercial advantage, trying to get some knowledge you're supposed to get. Laundering is related to tax. For example, the person did not and then try to hide money somewhere. So for the offshore scam and money crimes are related. Crimes in human resource is the case when the impersonates or provides about himself, about his CV, or about his skills. For example, cleaner or janitor provides the document that he graduated from Cambridge University and can work as CEO, for example. Accounting is the case when standards are not followed and generally accepted accounting practices are not followed. Cybercrime are various crimes committed using IT technology. Bribery and corruption is the case when persons establish contacts with the potential. This fraud is solvents of the first and we have to allow we have the potential the person should have enough money or not enough. That's the second. And the third reason is low ethics, poor ethics, low moral. So person can commit crime will try to rationalize crime, say that actually it's not looking like the crime. I was to commit this crime. I had no other option. So when it happens, then the economic crime and fraud most likely will happen. Of course, it means that if there is an official or with the retributions to be paid,